welcome back to my channel. Sit back, relax. This is an unboxing of my new King of Christmas tree. It's a flocked tree. It comes with a remote. It comes with these fluffing gloves which protect your arms. There's a pair. The instructions, of course. And then it comes with this bag to store the tree in after the season. This is the number of the tree I got. I ordered it from King of Christmas. I looked at several different places and thought I'd try this. So let's unbox it together. First thing I'm going to do is put on these handy dandy fluffing gloves. And they actually fit my arms, which surprises me, but they cover you all the way up to the elbow. So we're going to unbox it. And each section is wrapped in a white protective thing. So I'm taking the 3 sections out. I got this tree because the tree that I had last year was so big and so heavy, it was hard for me to put it together. So we'll start with the bottom one. And I know I'm going to have a little flock come off because it's a flock tree and it's a brand new tree. But I'm going to start fluffing it from the bottom, one branch at a time, to give it that full look. And you can see the flock starting to come off, which is kind of expected. I've never had an actual flocked tree before. Now I'm looking for the plug-in, so that, because this is a pre-lit tree. So I'm trying to find the plug-in to hook the lights up. It actually has one of those step-on switches so that you can step on it and turn it off and on. But I haven't used that because I have the remote, and I love the remote. I just come in after work and use the remote and turn on my lights. And it's got different settings. And of course, it doesn't look right here because I have my video sped up, because I'm sure y'all don't want to watch how long it took me to fluff it initially, because it's brand new. It's out of the box. Any brand new tree out of the box is going to have a lot more involved in fluffing it the first time. So I'm going to sit down and I'm going to do a little fluffing, try to get it all straightened out. And this takes me a little while, because like I said, it's a brand new tree. It's right out of the box. I haven't had it out of the box till now. So I'm just going to continue to fluff. Those gloves are a lifesaver, because every year when I would put up my big living room tree, by the time I got done fluffing it, my arms were scratched all to pieces. I had scratch marks and it was terrible. So these gloves are amazing. And I know I saw somebody else that did a video on another social media platform where they said they only got 1 glove, but mine came with 2. And the thing about this tree is it's one of their trees that was on clearance. So it was not, I assure you, a full price tree, because as much as I like it, a little steep for a regularly priced tree in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. So, and it took me a couple of months to finally pull the trigger on this tree, because I've been looking since last year for a tree to replace our huge tree that I had up last year. So it took me a couple of months to finally pull the trigger on this tree. But I must say, now that I've got it up, with the exception of the flocking, because you can see how there is quite a bit of flock, and that's just from that bottom section. And some of the clumps were pretty big. I'll have to tell you, I was really surprised that it lost this much flock. But once I was done, I just vacuumed it all up. And now the thing about these sections is you just plug them in. So now I've got the middle section. I'm going to go in and fluff it. I just set it down in the pole and it's a click and light. Once you put that second section in, it automatically turns on. The lights automatically turn on. So there's no extra cords to run down your tree, to plug in, or anything. It's just a click and light. So I'm going to now, like I said, go through one at a time and fluff this tree. And the more I fluff it, the more I like this tree. I'll have to admit, when I got the first bottom section out, I was like, oh, what have I done? What have I done? I was doubting myself. I was thinking, oh, well, worst comes to worst, I can always put this somewhere else and bring out the huge tree again. Because I was doubting. But the more I played with it and the more I fluffed it out, the better I liked it. So I really, really think you would like this tree. It's a queen flock. They have a king flock, a queen flock, and a prince flock. And the king flocks were just branches were too big for me. The prince flock was not big enough, so of course, which I consider myself the queen of our castle. So I got the queen flock. And one thing that I was really surprised was the pattern of the lights, the way it flickers. And it's all clear. I didn't get the multicolored ones because there's something about a soft, white, clear light on a Christmas tree at night when it's the only light in the room. And it's so pretty. It's so, so pretty. So I'm just going to continue to fluff this. Get it ready to put the top section on. And I actually did not have to climb on a ladder to put the top section on. Look, boom, it's there. But I'm going to take it off, take that protective cover off, and then put it back on. Boom, lights are on. And I didn't have to climb on a ladder. And look, there's actually a plug at the top of the tree that will work for a lighted tree topper. But it's not a regular plug. It's, I guess, an LED, because these are LED lights. So your topper would have to have an LED connection, I guess. I didn't use a lighted topper this year, but I thought that was pretty cool because most trees these days don't come with an outlet at the top for a lighted tree topper, like a star or an angel or something like that. So I was really surprised by that. Really surprised. I got flock in my eye there, in my face, because still, I had it all over me. It was everywhere, y'all. This flocking was everywhere. But like I said, the more I worked with it and the more I fluffed it, of course, the more flock came off, but still, I loved it. So now I've got my little stool because because I'm so short, I did have to get on top and fluff it. I had to get up there because my legs, I'm just not tall enough. So when you're short like me, you have to get up there and do what you have to do to get on top of the tree to fluff it. So that's what I did. But I'm going to continue to fluff and straighten it out and just work with it. Make it look good. Make it look nice. And I pulled it over because I can't reach it. I'm not going to recommend that you pull your tree, but it is what it is. And again, this is the Queen Flock from King of Christmas. I just thought I would give you guys a review. So if you're contemplating or considering getting a new tree, I would advise 3 stars. I gave it 3 stars. So still got, there's with some decorations on it. The lights are amazing, y'all. I don't have all my decorations on it yet, but check out those lights. And this camera just does not do this justice at all. There it is with the decorations on it. I hope you have enjoyed this latest video of my new living room Christmas tree. Go check them out on King of Christmas. And stay tuned for my next series, which will be the decorating of the master bedroom. I hope you have a blessed day. And remember, go out and make memories with those that you love. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get the notifications when I upload a new video. God bless and have a wonderful day, y'all.